Geography, a Greek word literally meaning earth description. It is the field of science devoted to the study of land, the features, the inhabitants and the phenomena of Earth. We will now be speaking to Mr. Teller about his thoughts on geography.
What are 3 important skills I would learn by studying this subject?
First, in problem solving skills about what, where and why. Secondly, in practical skills, which deal with all forms of things such as maps, graphs, statistics, field work, questionnaires, and other sort of activities such as that. And then thirdly is communication skills, because geography is about people, and you've got to be able to talk to people, interview people, work with people, problem solve with people, and so clearly communication skills are also an important part of geography.
How does the subject pathway from Year 9 to Year 13?
Yeah, being an old established subject, it has been around for a long time, but clearly you do social science in Years 9 and Years 10, and we do some geography within that, history and other aspects, and then we could transfer through to geography, and or you could be doing economics, accounting, history, classics, and maybe I've missed one in the upper level, so it transfers right through from Year 9 right through to Year 13.
If I enjoy this subject, what kind of further study options do I have?
Yeah, geography as a subject is pretty flexible at all the universities in New Zealand. It is there for people to study, so you can do degrees, diplomas and other forms of tertiary training in geography. Geography also leans towards both the arts area, which is perhaps towards what we're talking here, history, geography and English, and that's what arts are rather than drawing, and also the sciences, so you can go to university and do a degree in science, and geography can be your major, where you might be doing topology, glaciology and or whatever. So it's very flexible, goes both ways, and has huge scope for anybody.
What kind of career ideas does this lead to?
I view, quite frankly, and I've said this for 43 years, geography is relevant to every single type of work or career you get yourself involved in. Anything has an element of geography, because geography is about people and it's about places. And so just to throw a few at you is designing cities, looking at where new housing establishments are going to be, perhaps designing clothes, TV presenters, people working in immigration, people working at the airport, people working in tourism, population issues, social issues, dealing with people who are having issues with poverty. It just goes on and on. There is a huge myriad of careers and opportunities available for those who do geography degrees and or do geography, plus also anything associated with the environment, with climate, with soils, and all the environmental issues that currently are in vogue today within the world.
What do you love about teaching?
And what do I love about teaching? Clearly, if I didn't love it, I wouldn't be here for 43 years trying to do it. So 3 brief things that I love about teaching is the variety of tasks you get to perform every day, because there's a variety of students you see every day, there's different subject matter, and therefore you're doing a lot of different things every day. Also, it's great to look at the progress of people when they come from Year 9 through to Year 13 and see how they change, how they develop, and also looking at what people do once they've finished their time at school and the careers they go into and how successful they are in the world. It's great to see their names in the paper and featuring in sports events and or cultural activities.
What is one phrase of wisdom you would like to leave us with about the value of education at secondary school?
Schools and education have a huge role to play in the development of individuals, and people should therefore be taking advantage of the opportunities provided by schools. The statement I've got here, which I'll read to you, is taking advantage of your educational opportunities allows you to progress often from humble and poor beginnings to potential stardom. Really, that education opens the doors, and it certainly has been that for me.